Today, we'll see the types of SQL commands. This will be the part 1 video. In this video, we'll see the DDL and DML commands. So in general, SQL contains four types of command. First is DDL command, second is DML command, third is DCL commands, and fourth is TCL commands. Let's have a look at DDL and DML in this particular video in detail. So, DDL command stands for Data Definition Language. This is used to define, modify, and delete database objects. So basically, this DDL commands focuses on how we can define the data, how the structure will be. In simple words, I would say this DDL commands are used to specify the structure of the table that we are going to create. Also, we can use this to modify as well as delete the structures in the database. Now, the commands that comes under this data definition language are create. This create command is used to create tables in the database. Next, we have alter command. So this alter command is used to modify the database objects. That means we can modify the structure of the table according to our will. Third command is drop. Drop command is used to drop the entire structure of the database object. That means here we are not only deleting the data, we are also deleting the entire structure from scratch. The next command is truncate. This truncate command is helpful whenever we have to clear out all the data present inside the structure. But make a note that using the truncate command, we are not going to delete the structure. The structure will remain as it is. The only thing is that the data inside that structure will be deleted. Now, let's have a look at the next type of command, which is DML commands. DML commands stand for Data Manipulation Language. So, now we have defined this structure. Now, in that particular structure, we'll be filling the data. Now, whenever we have to process that data, we can use this data manipulation language. It is simply used for retrieving, inserting, updating, deleting the data in the database objects. The commands that falls under DML are select. Select command is used to retrieve the data from the database. Then we have insert command, which is used to insert the records in the table. Next, we have update command. The name itself tells it is used to update the data. Next, we have delete command, which is used to delete the records from the table. So I hope everything is clear. Oh, I got a notification from At a Glance YouTube channel. Seems interesting. Let me check that. Till then, you can have a look at this. Welcome to the day 4 of Decoding SQL.